Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mr. W50 Reviews It. I am Doug Drummond, your host. Today's product review is the Optima HD33 home theater projection. Now this offers 1080p and full 3D. How does it completely measure up in my full review? Coming up right now. Now the first thing I want to mention about this projector is that it does have 1800 ANSI lumens and a contrast ratio of about 4,000 to 1. What's that mean for layman's terms? This projector is very bright even in a well-lit room. You can have the lights on while using this projector and you're still going to get a pretty good picture quality. It's got true 1080p, 2D and 3D picture quality. Now this is great for gaming or for watching movies, and Optima does include the 3D glasses. You get one pair here with this set. You're gonna have to buy more. These are the IR glasses. They will have to be charged up separately, but the quality on it, guys, is very amazing. It's that theater quality type video. Now unfortunately here I was only able to get this screen up to 120 inches because I couldn't move the projector back any further. Now your projection distance can go from as little as 5 feet up to 32 feet, and that's going to get your image size between 37 and 300 inches. Included is a backlit IR remote control. It features that nice blue backlit display, so it's easy to see in the dark. One of the key features is the Texas Instruments 1080p DLP chipset with pure motion image processing, which ensures a smooth, judder-free image. And let me tell you guys, this is great for watching TV, Blu-rays, and movies, and you're going to get a very smooth quality picture. Alright, let's talk components. On the back here you will notice that there are two HDMIs. You also have a VGA input. You have your component input with an S-Video. That's great for your older type of connections. 3D port, that is for your 3D glasses. There's a mini USB port on the back, an RS-232, and a 12-volt trigger. And on the back you will see the power button. It is a nice blue hue so that you know the projector is on. I can say that this projector actually does run very hot. You can feel the heat being cranked out the side. That is just the light bulb there. That is the heat of that pushing out, and that's to be expected. It is actually not very noisy. You would think some of these projectors do get pretty noisy. This one's actually very quiet. There is no internal speaker, so you're gonna have to hook this up to your home theater surround sound system, but that's no problem because when you're wanting to watch a theater style movie, you're gonna want to watch that awesome sound. Now you can pick this projector up from Office Max, Best Buy, Newegg, or even B&H Photo for around $1,500. This one here is coming in right under $1,500 at $14.99. Very good price. If you want to learn more about this projector or any of the technical specifications, please head over to OptimaUSA.com. I will have all the technical information as well as the links down in the description box below. That's going to wrap it up for us, guys, with this series of home theater projection systems. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel for many more Optima projector reviews. If you haven't, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you guys all in the next episode. Thanks for watching.